Hello everybody, today in front of me I have this ODYS Thanos tablet, and let me show how you can set the Opera as your default browser on this device. So the first way to do that is to go to the settings. Here scroll down until you stumble upon the apps and notifications category. At the apps and notifications category, go for the default apps. Let me get back real quick. Let the camera focus as well. So here just go for the default apps. Choose browser app and select Opera, and that will ultimately mean that we have successfully selected it as our default browser. There is also the second way to do it directly from the app, so let's go ahead and open up the Opera. Here tap on your avatar, then on this gear icon that stands for settings, and scroll down until you stumble upon the default browser section. Then click on it, tap on next. Here go to the browser app and select Opera. And that will also mean that you have successfully selected Opera as your default browser app. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much and bye!